Picture this: a world where the air is clean, energy is abundant, and our planet thrives. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you this future is within our grasp? The key? Clean energy? It's not just a buzzword, it's our ticket to a sustainable tomorrow. Welcome to the Clean Energy Journey YouTube channel, where science meets sustainability. We share how green energy will save our planet in the future. Climate change is the most pressing challenge of the 21st century, threatening ecosystems, economies, and human health worldwide. At the heart of this crisis lies our energy production and consumption, the single largest contributors to global warming, accounting for most greenhouse gas emissions. But here's the thing: clean energy isn't just about fancy technology. It's about survival. It's about sustainability. It's about securing a future for generations to come. Let's talk about the elephant in the room: fossil fuels. Burning coal, oil, and natural gas releases vast amounts of CO and methane into our atmosphere. These greenhouse gases act like a blanket, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. The consequences: melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and ecosystems on the brink of collapse. We're seeing extreme weather events, wildfires, hurricanes, droughts becoming more frequent and severe, impacting millions of lives. In short, our dependence on fossil fuels is destabilizing the very planet we call home. But there's hope on the horizon, and it comes in the form of clean energy. Solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power offer renewable alternatives that don't emit greenhouse gases when generating electricity. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and dwindling, these energy sources are sustainable, relying on natural cycles that have powered our planet for billions of years. And here's the exciting part: advances in battery storage, efficiency, and smart grids are making these technologies cheaper and more reliable than ever before. In fact, many nations are already seeing renewables outperform fossil fuels in cost-effectiveness. It's not just good for the planet, it's good for our wallets too. So, how exactly does clean energy impact climate change? By replacing fossil fuels, clean energy cuts greenhouse gas emissions significantly. This means cleaner air, which leads to improved public health and fewer respiratory diseases linked to pollution. It reduces our dependence on non-renewable resources, ensuring a more stable and secure energy supply for future generations. Perhaps most importantly, it demonstrates a clear pathway toward meeting international climate agreements like the Paris Accord. Every solar panel installed, every wind turbine erected is a step towards a cooler, more stable climate. But the benefits of clean energy extend far beyond environmental impacts. Let's talk economics and social benefits. The renewable energy sector is a massive job creator. From installing solar panels to building wind turbines, from researching new technologies to maintaining green infrastructure, clean energy is opening up a world of employment opportunities. Nations investing in renewables gain energy independence, reducing their reliance on imported oil and gas. This isn't just about saving money, it's about national security and stability. Clean energy projects have the power to revitalize rural areas, driving innovation and infrastructure development in places that have long been overlooked. And as access to affordable and sustainable energy grows, we see improvements in social equity. Energy poverty becomes a thing of the past, and communities that were once left in the dark are illuminated with opportunity. Now, I know what you're thinking. If clean energy is so great, why haven't we switched over completely? Well, the transition isn't without its challenges. Renewables face intermittency issues, solar doesn't work at night, and wind varies with weather patterns. That's where energy storage technologies come in. Advancements in lithium-ion batteries and emerging solid-state batteries are vital to solving this puzzle, allowing us to store clean energy for when we need it most. Then there's the infrastructure challenge. Many countries are still tied to fossil fuel-based grids, and upgrading these systems requires huge investments. It's not just about building new power plants, it's about reimagining our entire energy distribution system. And let's not forget the political and economic resistance from powerful fossil fuel lobbies. Change is hard, especially when there are trillions of dollars at stake. But despite these hurdles, the future of clean energy looks brighter than ever. Global commitments to net zero emissions by 2050 depend heavily on clean energy adoption. Countries like the US, UK, Canada, and Australia are playing crucial roles as both major energy consumers and innovators. We're seeing exciting developments in hybrid energy systems that combine renewables with emerging technologies like hydrogen, carbon capture, and even nuclear fusion. The future of clean energy will be defined by innovation, cooperation, and a sense of urgency that matches the scale of the climate crisis we face. As we wrap up, it is clear that clean energy is not optional, it's essential for addressing climate change and ensuring a livable planet. The technology is here, the economics are favorable. What we need now is the will to act, to push for policies that accelerate the clean energy transition, and to make choices in our daily lives that support sustainable energy use. So, I want to leave you with a question to ponder. Can renewables completely replace fossil fuels? It's a complex issue, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are we ready for a 100% renewable future? Or do we need a mix of energy sources? Your insights and experiences are valuable as we navigate this crucial transition together. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest in clean energy and climate solutions, hit that subscribe button and join our community of sustainability enthusiasts. Together, we can power a cleaner, greener future. Thanks for watching, and remember, every small step towards clean energy is a giant leap for our planet. See you in the next video.